So I've been encouraging you guys to use fabric as a source of inspiration, as a starting point to design your collection. The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available on Fashion Premier Academy. Click the link below. Roll it! And along with that comes using layers, using fabrics as layers, meaning this designer, right, used two completely different fabrics to create this design. This top is, obviously it's black. This one is turquoise. This one is a woven sheer. It looks like a chiffon type of fabric. This is a knit jersey. Two completely different items, but together create a really interesting and cool look. Okay? And along with that is the skirt. Now this skirt is also two layers. There is a white lace and a white satin, and together they create this effect. So this is a white on white, obviously. But what if we have a different color skirt underneath? It would give you a completely different look, you see? So start playing around with fabrics, combining fabrics, layering fabrics, mixing and matching to create a third possibility, a third option, okay? So play around, see what you can come up with. And along the lines of creating new fabrics, how about creating your own fabric by painting it? Dior collaborated with artist George Kondo to create a unique, one-of-a-kind print. Check this out. Did you see this? Dior collaborated with artist George Kondo to create this amazing collection. Check this out. Art meets fashion. Let this be an inspiration for you to create your own fashion art. Go to your local art and supply store, get some markers, find an old shirt, t-shirt, dress, whatever, and bring out the artist in you. Create your own fashion art and have fun. Cool, right? So go to an art and supply store, get some paint appropriate for fabric, and start creating your own fabrics.